In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom theme in Gamma app, step by step, so you can make your presentations and documents look consistent, polished, and on brand. If you create content in Gamma often, learning how to build your own theme can save you time and make every project look more professional. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign into your account. Once you're inside Gamma, open any existing project or start a new one, because the theme settings are usually accessed from within a project workspace. This is where Gamma lets you control the look and feel of your content. Now look for the Theme option or the Design Settings area. Depending on the layout of your account, this may appear in the sidebar, top menu, or design panel. Click into that section, because this is where all your visual customization tools are located. If you want your Gamma project to stand out, this is the place to begin. Next, choose the option to create a new theme or customize an existing one. Gamma may give you a few preset styles to start from, which is useful if you want to save time. You can use one of those as a base and then adjust it to match your brand, your business, your course, or your personal style. Now comes the fun part. Start adjusting the colors. This usually includes background colors, text colors, accent colors, and card colors. If you want a clean, professional look, stick to a simple color palette. If you want something more bold and creative, use stronger contrast and a more vibrant accent color. The goal is to make the theme feel intentional and easy to read. After that, move on to the fonts. Choose font styles that fit the tone of your content. A modern sans serif font can make your project feel sleek and clean, while a more editorial style can make it feel formal or presentation ready. Make sure your heading font and body font work well together so the design stays readable and balanced. Then review the card styles and other design settings. Gamma often lets you control how content blocks, sections, or cards appear on the page. You can fine-tune spacing, borders, layout style, and other visual details, so everything matches the look you want. This step is important because even small design changes can make a big difference in the final result. Take a moment to preview your theme as you make changes. This helps you see how the colors, fonts, and layout choices work together in real time. If something feels too busy or too plain, adjust it before saving. A good theme should feel clear, consistent, and visually pleasing from slide to slide or page to page. Once you're happy with the design, save your custom theme. Gamma should store it so you can reuse it later without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is one of the biggest advantages of creating a custom theme, because it helps you maintain the same visual style across all your future projects. After saving, apply the theme to your Gamma project. If it doesn't apply automatically, just select it manually from the theme menu. Once it's applied, your content should update with the new colors, fonts, and design settings right away. And that's it. You've now created a custom theme in Gamma app and applied it to your project. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your Gamma content looking branded and consistent every time you publish. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma app walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.